If you like what you're listening to, go check it out. The song is called Reflections by Toshifumi Hinata from the album Reality and Love.
Hello guys, it's Gabby again, and remember, if you remember me, I did some 2 Nerf reviews. It's 2 because I had doing less recently. So I'm back with a Nerf review, and this time, this is the Flipfury. So about this gun, this is just like the Strongarm, which I reviewed like last 2016, because this is a gun with, pero about the Strongarm, it only has 1 barrel. For it has 2 barrels, so that's why it's called the Flipfury. And there's a trigger, so you can, just in case you run out, you can load for another one like this. And so yeah, and here's the trigger for you to shoot some enemies. And here is the pull back acceleration trigger, slide action pump something, to load your gun and fire up away. So in comparison to this is the Strongarm, only 1 barrel. So you can refill bullets like a revolver or something like that. This, just like that, and then pull this one, prime action gun. Oh yeah, I remember. This is the prime action gun, the prime action slide thing. Yeah, shoot this. Yeah, so, that's the prime action loader, so you can shoot some enemies. It's the prime action thing. And this is from the Z stands for Zombiestrike because it's the merchandise. It's a franchise that makes the ones that for the zombie apocalypse. So yeah, this is the Flipfury. So you can fire up some opponents like this, and then you can reload like this. And then if you run out, then just switch like this. Yeah, and then you can also do slam fire like this, just like what you did with Strongarm. And yes, this is my best weapon. The best weapon ever. This is my favorite Nerf gun. The Flipfury. We can go crazy! I'm sorry about that, guys. I was just thinking of Trigger Happy from Skylanders, but I don't even play. I was just going crazy over this because I love how this works. This gun is very awesome. Yeah. See, I mean, we go crazy over this gun, so yeah. That's how I roll with guns, because guns shoot enemies. Just kidding, but seriously. Now that review is gone, let's go with the firing demo. Alright, it's slam fire time. So yeah, this is the Flipfury. My favorite gun of the Zombiestrike line. Yeah. I like this gun because it has 2 barrels. It's pretty awesome. So if you remember my Nerf videos, I only made 2, so that's so sad. And I haven't been doing much YouTube videos for like 5 months, I guess. But I hope you like this video, because I haven't been doing much Nerf gun videos because I've been too busy with TikTok or the K-pop reaction videos. So So yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video. Cause if you want to search this gun, it's from Hasbro or Amazon, but I can't do the link this time. So I hope you have fun. Bye guys. See you next time.